Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding the button until you see the COROS logo on the screen, and then you can release it and wait until the list of languages appears on the screen. Once it appears, scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use, and then tap on it to select it. No, not this one. We want English. Confirm by pressing the Crown button, and then you will see the QR code. And basically what it means, we need to download and install the COROS application and then use it to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in COROS. And on the list of applications you will see this application with this icon. Tap on install and wait until the application is done installing. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open. In the app, you will need to log in into COROS account. If you don't have one, you can make one by tapping on Sign Up. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Login. Enter the email address and password. Check the box right here and tap on Login. And after you log in, you should see the progress page. Now tap on Profile, Add New Device, go to Settings, allow the permission, and now we need to scan the QR code from the watch with the phone's camera. So basically point the phone's camera on the watch, and it should grab it. And then if you see this pop-up, tap on Go to Settings, Allow. And if it says connection failed, we need to basically do it again. Tap on Pair. Press the Crown button. Now tap on Next, and here we can allow more permissions, so tap on OK and allow it or deny it. And then we have setup process. You can copy the settings from previous devices if you want to, or set up it as new by tapping on Setup Device. And here we have activity list basically. You can add and remove the activities to the list or from the list. Then you can tap Next. Then we have the daily data, so widgets, and you can again remove widgets or add widgets, and then tap Next. And then we have the toolbox, the tool menu, and here we can again remove options from it and add options to it. And then tap Next. Select the preferred list, rather, not list, my bad. Then dial or rotation. And finally, the sleep time. This is useful for the do not disturb mode during sleep. So if you set the sleep time, the watch will automatically turn on do not disturb mode when you go to sleep. And when you wake up, it will turn it off. Tap Next. Here you can enable the phone notifications. If you don't care, you can tap on Cancel and Skip right here. If you want to use them, tap on Go to Settings, allow the required permissions. And then you can customize the settings for your notifications, and you should be able to tap Next. Okay, and then we can tap on Complete, and the watch should appear right here. We have a more files we can download. I'm gonna download them later. Okay, here we have our watch. We can open the settings page for it. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.